Chapter name is Quadratic Equations. Okay. So it's simple. You already learned quadratic polynomial. What? A x square plus bx plus c. You learned quadratic polynomial. Okay. Then in quadratic polynomial, um, if you put equal to 0, then quadratic equation. Finish. Simple. Understood now? In quadratic polynomial, hello? In quadratic polynomial, if you put equal to 0, then quadratic equations. That is the connection. Okay. This chapter, you have to learn 3 methods how to solve the quadratic equations. The first method, it is splitting the middle term. We already learned last year. Second one, then one formula method that is. Third one, uh, completing the square method. Completing the square method. Okay, like there are 3 methods there is. One is as usual splitting the middle term. Then second one is formula method. Okay, third one completing the square method. Okay, so we are directly starting the chapter because nothing to explain in this chapter. Okay, the standard form is standard form of a quadratic. Why all guys last moment waiting this one? Okay, standard form is a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A not equal to 0. Okay, then suppose a solving x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, solving what? X square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So we can split this one x plus 4 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So that means what? X plus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 4 and x equal to minus 3. Why? Because we know that a into b equal to 0 means either a equal to 0 or b 0 or both are 0. Okay, the product of product of two numbers is 0 means either first number 0 or second number 0 or both are 0. Okay, now write the question. Right, the general form of a quadratic equation. The general form of a quadratic equation. The general form of a quadratic equation is. The general form of a quadratic equation is. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. A, B, C are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. Okay? Is it okay now? Okay, now okay, write the question. Right. Okay, solve the following quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equations by factorization. Solve the following by factorization method. Okay, question number 1. Question number 1. X square plus 6x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, you try. X square plus 6x minus 5. Try now. X square plus 6x minus 5. Hello, Adarsh. How's the test? I'm giving the note now. Solve the no, I didn't give. I just okay. Just started only. Okay. Solve the following by factorization method. X square plus 6x minus 5. Okay. Try first. The first part is very simple. This chapter. Okay. X square plus 6x minus 5. No, not plus 5. Plus 5. Plus 5, not minus 5. X square plus 6x plus 5. Hello, Madhav. What happened morning? Madhav. Hello, Madhav. What happened? Why didn't you join morning class? Hello, Madhav. What time science? What time science? 7 o'clock? Kuwait? No, 7 o'clock Kuwait time science tuition? Then what? That is 9:30 now. We start. What time your science tuition? 7 of what? Which time? India time. India time 7 means what? No problem. You finish. Here is 4:30. Correct or no? Kuwait time 4:30. Okay. I fix the time is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock Kuwait time. What happened to that one? Our time was we fixed, we discussed, we fixed. Okay, 7 o'clock morning. So why didn't attend it, that one? Come on, man, tell me, man. Why you didn't attend it? What you forgot, man? We arrange the class and you forgot it. We revise the portions. Okay, so then you're telling unnecessary excuse and all. You have science. Science is what time? 4:30. Okay, now finish this one. What you did? X plus 5 into x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 5 and x equal to minus 1. Got it? X equal to my. Yeah, listen, man, splitting the middle term, Kashinath. Splitting the middle term. Look, product is 5. Product is 5. Sum is 6. 5 and 1. X plus 5 into x plus 1. X equal to minus 5 and x equal to minus 1. Okay. So next one. 8x square. 8x square minus 22x minus 21 equal to 0. 8x square minus 22x minus 21 equal to 0. Okay, try this one. Idea is what? Idea is you have to get, after splitting, come on, man, look at here, others. X plus 5 into x plus 1 equal to 0. That means this equal to 0 and this equal to 0. So x equal to minus 5 and x equal to minus 1. Clear now? Look, x plus 5 into x plus 1 equal to 0. That means x plus 5 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 5. X plus 1 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 1. Clear now? Okay, like that, you try now this question. Okay. You got the number? 22. Jasmine, getting now? Actually, this is last year section only, splitting the middle term. 22. Product is what? Product is 168. Sum is minus 22. This is the minus. Which are the numbers? Anybody got the number? Hello? Anybody got? Yeah, what is the number, Abel? What's splitting? 22 and 6. 28 and 6, right? 28 and 6. Okay, look. 8x square minus 28x plus 6x minus 21 equal to 0. Understand how the splitting? Okay. 28 into 6. 28 into 6 is minus 168. Adding is minus 22. Okay. This one you have to find out. There is the second method. Second method is coming. Then no need to worry about splitting the middle term. Okay. So here, what you can take outside? 4x. 4x outside, 2x minus 7 plus 3 outside, 2x minus 7 equal to 0. 2x minus 7 into 4x plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 7 by 2 and x equal to minus 3 by 4. X equal to 7 by 2, comma, x equal to minus 3 by 4. Two answer there is. And 3 x equal to minus 3 by 4 and 7 by 2. Okay. Hello, Gautam. Gautam, getting now? Gautam, I contacted your science teacher. So he told me to buy this mic. Is it clear now? Now okay? Sound okay? Clear? Audio is clear? Okay. Oh, he has lot of collection. Mics, he has lot of collection. You showed me. So now much difference there is, right? Okay. So now this is finished. Now next question. Okay. Next one. 9x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Oh, okay. Now it's okay, Asma. Okay, try this one. Okay, which are the product is minus 18. Sum is minus 3. Okay. Okay. Which number? 9x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Correct? Or no? Minus 3, 18. Okay. So 3x outside, 3x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So that means 3x minus 2 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 2 by 3 and x equal to minus 1 by 2. We all got. Mansvi, you got? Hello, Mansvi, got? Okay. Okay. Jasmir, are you getting or not? Hello, Jasmir. Okay. So after 2-3 questions, I'll tell you the second method. Second method you like because no need to think about it. Okay. Second method, those who have problem with the splitting the middle term will be solved. Okay. So next one, same method you try. X minus 4 into x plus 2. X minus 4 into x minus 4 into x minus 2. X minus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, try. X minus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0. What will do? Simple. Others, x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to 4 or x equal to minus 2. X equal to 4 or x equal to minus 2. Clear now? Which formula? Inaya, which formula you want this one? Hello, Inaya. Yeah, the same only, no? Same. Look at here, Inaya. A into B. Inaya, listen. A into B equal to 0 means either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0 or both are 0. That means product of two numbers is 0 means either first number 0 or second number 0 or both are zeros. Okay, that's all I applied here. X minus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0. That means either x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 4 equal to 0 means x equal to 4 or x equal to minus 2. Clear or not? Anyone had doubt? Okay. So next one, 3x square. Try 3x square minus 14x minus 3 equal to 0. 3x square minus 14x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, try now. 3x square minus 14x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, what do you got? This one. Here product is minus 15. Product is minus 15. Sum equal to minus 14. What is that? 15 and 1. 15 and 1, right? 3x square minus 15x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. Plus, okay. So we can take 3x square minus 15x. 3x outside. X minus 5 plus x minus 5 equal to 0. So that means x minus 5 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 1 by 3. X equal to 5 or x equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. Okay, next one, 6x square. Next one, 6x square. 6x square plus 11x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, try this one. 6x square plus 11x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, finish. Let me check. Uh, Look, here product is 18, sum is 11, 9 and 2. Okay, 6x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. 3x outside, 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x plus 3 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 3 by 2, x equal to minus 1 by 2. So all got. Is it okay? Okay. Others shall wait. Okay, finish. So next question. Jasmine, are you getting or not? Hello. Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Okay. Okay. So finish now. Okay, next question, right? Next question. This is the last question this time. Okay, 5x square. 5x square minus 3x. 5x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 5x square. 5x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 5 5x square 5x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, try this one. 5x square 5x square minus 5x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Tanmay, why you late, man? Today, our class at 1 o'clock. You know that. Tanmay, what is the excuse now? Yes. No? Okay, finish. Okay. So what you got? 10. Okay. 5x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 5x outside, x minus 1 plus 2 outside, x minus 1 equal to 0. That is x minus 1 into 5x plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2 by 4. We're all got x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2 by 4. Okay. Okay, finish. X equal to how minus 1? How minus 1? 5x, correct or no? 5x outside, x minus 1. X minus 1 outside, 5x plus 2, x equal to 1 only. X equal to 1 or minus 2 by 5. I wrote like that. X equal to, here, x equal to 1 or minus 2 by 5. Okay. So now look at here now. Look. Okay, one more question. 3x square plus 11x plus 1 equal to 0. Oh, there is no number here like that, right? 3x square plus 10 plus 10. Okay. 3x square plus 11x 3x square plus 11x plus 10 equal to 0. plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, this is the last question. After that, I'll show you another method. Okay. Okay, x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 5 by 3. X equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 5 by 3. Okay, so next one, look at here now. Hello. This method, okay, now those who have problem with splitting the middle term, don't need to worry about next method. Okay. Hello. Hello. Listen now. Not close the book all. Hello. Close the book. I'll show you one method. I'll show 2-3 questions. After that, you can start. Okay. Close the book all. Come on. Okay. So now this is called this method. It is called formula method. Okay. The formula one name is there. It is called Sridharacharya formulas. Okay. This formula, there is a controversy. There is who invented this formula. Okay. It is called some Indian books telling Indian mathematicians name Sridharacharya's formulas. Okay. Okay. So you just not, it is around exactly 1,000 years back. Exactly 1,000 years back, in India, this formula used. Sridharacharya's formula. Okay. But now the some mathematicians telling in Egypt it was there. Then we copied that one. Okay. Anyway, we forget about that controversy. Okay. Look at here now. One question. X square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Did we started this method or not? Did we started or not? Okay. Then listen here. Okay, listen. Close the book. Don't type anything. Just listen. Close the pen. Throw the pen. Okay, listen here now. Okay. here. Okay, first of all, A equal to 1, B equal to 7, C equal to 12. This understood or not? A equal to 1, B equal to 7, C equal to 12. This is okay or not? This is the first. Jasmir, is it okay? Which is A, which is B, which is C. Is it okay? Okay, Kashinath, 3x square plus 7 plus 8x. Kashinath, which is A? A how much? A equal to? This is the problem, Kashinath. This is the problem, man. Look at here. Kashinath, look at here. A equal to 3. B equal to what? B equal to 8. B equal to 8. What, Kashinath, are you looking? Now, any issues? A means coefficient of x square. B is coefficient of x. C is constant, not depends on the position. Suppose if it is like this, 8 plus 2x plus 5x square. What is A? What is A? Why not? Why you are so irresponsible answer you're telling? A equal to 5. B equal to, really, you are, if Kashinath, if you are sitting in front of me now, you'll get a slap. Okay, A equal to 5, B equal to 2, and C equal to 8. Clear now? Jasmir. Okay, Jasmir. Hello. This guy where? Okay, look, tell me now. X square plus 1 equal to 0. What is A? X square plus 1 equal to 0. What is A? Okay, Jasmir, answer fast, man. Jasmir. If not getting, at least responded. Okay, what is A? My question is, what is A? X square plus 1 equal to 0. What is A? Okay, X square is 1. What about B? What about B? Kashinath and Jasmir answer. What about B? Okay, Kashinath, okay. Jasmir, what is B? How, where is X here? Jasmir, where is X here? Where you found that X? Jasmir, look at here. A means coefficient of X square. Understood or not? A means what? Look at here. A, X square plus B, X plus C. This is A. You can see now, coefficient of X square only A, this one. Coefficient of X is what? B. Coefficient of constant term is C. If there is no X term, that means B 0. If there is no X square term, that means A 0. There is no constant, that is C 0. Clear or not? Okay, now, really, I cannot come to this level only, man. Really. Okay, now tell me. 3x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. What is A? You tell. Jasmir, tell me first. A what? B. A what? B what? C what? Come on, man. Tell me fast. You didn't find the minus sign? You didn't find minus sign? You didn't find minus sign, right? What about C what? What about C? Okay, tell me that. 3x square plus 10 equal to 0. What is A? What is A? B what? Okay, now look at Kashinath, okay? Kashinath, is it okay or not? Okay. Okay, now I listen, really, I cannot come down up to this level. Okay. Now, our question is what? X square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. X square plus 7x plus x square plus 7x plus 12. Okay. Hello, Jasmir. You don't know which is the location, which is A, which is B, which is C. Really, I'm sorry, man. You cannot continue here. Okay. You find some other places. Really, I cannot. It is better for you if you follow here. You cannot manage it. Jasmir, because I cannot come down this much level. So you find some other places. Really, please. Okay. No. You find some other places. Okay. Okay, now look at here. A equal to 1, B equal to 7, and C equal to 12. Okay, now after that, I told you in polynomial, B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC equal to 7 square minus 4 into 1 into 12. What is that? Correct or not? B square minus 4 into 1 into C. Okay. 49 minus 48 equal to 1. That means you learn polynomial. B square minus 4AC is called, what is the name? B square minus 4AC is called, what is the name? A special name is there. What is that? Discriminant. Okay. B square minus 4AC is called discriminant of the quadratic equations. There you said B square minus 4AC is called discriminant of the quadratic polynomial. Now it is called B square minus 4AC is called discriminant of the quadratic polynomial. If B square minus 4AC less than 0, no real root. We don't want to find. B square minus 4AC equal to 0, one root. B square minus 4AC greater than 0, two different roots. Okay, exactly in polynomial, what do you learn? Are you okay what I said? Inaya, okay, Abel, exactly what I said in polynomial. We advanced, we did this all. Okay, listen once again. Once again, I tell you, B square minus 4AC is called discriminant of the quadratic polynomial. Sorry, B square minus 4AC is called discriminant of the quadratic equations. In polynomial, we say polynomial. Here, equation. Then, if B square minus 4AC less than 0, no real root. No need to find out. We cannot find out. B square minus 4AC equal to 0, only one root. B square minus 4AC greater than 0, you'll get two distinct root. Will get it. Okay. Now here, B square minus 4AC greater than 0, that means you'll get two zeros. Clear or not? Is it okay? Others, Asma, Abel, anyone had doubt? Aditi, Eliza, Ame, Kashinath, Anne, Dilna, Gaurav. Come on. Anyone have doubt? Kirtana. Okay. Okay, once again, look at here, neither, listen here. First of all, come on, when you get a question, hello, when you get a question, look at here. Suppose one new question, listen here. X square minus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. A new question. How to start? First you write a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 2. Okay? This is okay, Nazir. Okay, if the position is different, if the position also different, 2 minus 4x plus x square, still what? A equal to what? Still A equal to what? 1. B equal to what? Minus 4. C equal to what? 2. Clear or not? If you have doubt this question, if you have writing this A equal to 1, B equal to minus 4, C equal to 2, still not understand, please leave from the group. Okay. Then after that, you start b square minus 4ac equal to minus 4 square minus 4 into a 1 into 2, 16 minus 8 equal to 8. Okay, we got 8. Our condition is if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, you will get 2 root will get it. In polynomial, we said 2 zeros. I just changed the word only. In polynomial, we said 2 distinct zeros. Now I'm telling you 2 distinct roots, two different values. B square minus 4ac less than 0, no real root. In polynomial, I said no real zeros. Okay. B square minus 4ac equal to 0, 1 0 in polynomial. Here what? Only one root. Samjha another? Okay. The problem is I told you already I said this part in polynomial. Okay. Now back to our question. Look at here. Back to our question. What was our question? X square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Okay. Anyone have doubt? This chapter, tell me now. Otherwise, the entire chapter and throughout the other chapter also will face the problem. This is applicable in all other chapters. Okay, except statistics. Okay. So now, here, A equal to 1, B equal to 7, C equal to 12. Okay. Nia, are you okay? B square minus 4ac. What? 7 square minus 4 into 1 into 12. 49 minus 48 equal to 1. Okay. Look at here. In case, if we get here negative value, we just say no real root. Finish. No need to find out. We cannot find also at present. Okay. Later we can find. Next year we will find out in complex numbers. There is a chapter. There is chapter 3. Okay. Now, after that, look, this is very simple. This is very simple. Any police can find out because no need to think about splitting the middle term. Which one to split? Nothing to worry. Okay. Formula is very simple. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This solution, this derivation, you don't have, not in your scope. Okay. What? Minus b, not like this. Not like this. It is full. Okay. It is up full here. Okay. Minus b plus, because look, 1 plus 2 by 2. What's the answer? 1 plus 2 by 2. What's the answer? 2. If it is like this, what's the answer? 3 by 2. See the difference. Okay. Okay. So, and also we cannot cancel. You have symptoms like that. These two cancel like that. Okay. So don't cancel like that. It's allowed, not allowed. Okay. Now, okay, minus b. Actually, b positive. So minus b. Minus 7 plus or minus. What is the root of 1 is what? 1. Correct or no? Root of 1 is 1. 1 divided by 2a. 2 into a. 2. So that means minus 7 plus 1 by 2. Minus 7 minus 1 by 2. Minus 7 plus 1 is what? Minus 1 plus 7 minus 6 by 2 minus 8 by 2. That is minus 3 minus 4. minus 3 minus. This is the solution. Clear or not? Is it okay? Okay. Yeah, I'll tell you, no problem. Okay. Okay. So now, okay, I'll show you again. Look at here. Another question I'll show you. Okay, listen here. It just, that's why I told you, no, don't write anything. Okay. So, okay, x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. X square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Hello, listen all. Listen. That is called solution, man. The solution. We found the splitting the middle term. No, same. Another method we are finding. Others. Look at here. First of all, A equal to 1, B equal to 6, C equal to 5. This is clear or not? Okay, now look at here. B square minus 4AC equal to 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. 36 minus 20 equal to 16. Clear or not? Look at here now. Listen. Don't answer me. Whenever I ask the question, Tanmay, listen here. Today also you late. Now also you late. Half an hour late. Okay. So this is clear or not? First, A equal to 1, B equal to 6, C equal to 5. Then you find out B square minus 4AC. For you, this is not a strange thing because I advanced in polynomial. I said, okay, maybe school in polynomial they didn't mention about this part. Correct or not? Hello. For you, it is clear already learned in polynomial. B square minus 4AC, 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. That we got 16. 16 not the answer. Okay, 16 not answer. Now what? Write the formula. Minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Apply. Minus B minus 6 plus or minus root of 16 is what? 4. 4 divided by 2A, 2 into 1, that is 2. That means minus 6 plus 4 by 2, comma, minus 6 minus 4 by 2, minus 2 by 2, comma, minus 10 by 2. That is minus 1 minus 5. This is the answer. This is the solution. Clear now? This is the solution. Okay. Okay. What Srikumaran? What not? Srikumaran. Okay, I told you earlier, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, you'll get one solution. B square minus 4ac equal to 0, you will get one solution, only one number. That means minus 1 only. Okay. I'll include one question like that. No problem. Okay. So it's clear or not? Don't write anything. Okay. So next question, look at here. Next, if you have doubt, tell me now. After that you will be in trouble because you have to do it yourself. Okay. In word problem also, you have to use this one. Okay. 8x square minus 22x minus 21 equal to 0. Okay. A equal to 8, B equal to minus 22, C equal to minus 21. Right? A equal to 8, B equal to minus 22, C equal to minus 21. Is it okay writing? Just mere okay or not writing like this? Okay, after that, b square minus 4ac equal to minus 22 square minus 4 into 8 into minus 21. Okay. 22 square is what? 22 square is what? 4. 22 square. 22 square, Nia. 22 square, how much? Others. Asma. Abel. Hello. 484. 484. Last year, table 1. Okay. 484. Minus become plus. 4 into 8 into 21. How much? 4 into 8 into 21. How much? Fresner. Multiply first. $672. Okay, 672. Total how much? 484 plus 672. How much? 1156. Okay, 1156. Okay, that been two answer. Now look at here. Formula. Look, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Sometimes you can use d. Okay, minus b minus already there 22 plus or minus. Any idea? Root of 1156. What is the root? Root of 1156. What is the answer? Anyone have idea? Come on fast. Come on. Root of, without calculation, can you try 1156? 34. Yeah, 34. Correct. Simple, because 13 to 30, 900. 14 to 40, 1600. Ending 6, chance to 34 only, or 36. So 34 is answer. 34 divided by 2a, 16. Then 22 plus 34 divided by 16, 22 minus 34 divided by 16. Here what? 22 plus 34, how much? 22 plus 32, how much? 22 plus 34, 66, right? 6, 56 by 16, comma, 22 minus 34, minus 12, right? By 16. Okay, now what? You can simplify this, sir. You can simplify and write, we can cancel. You can cancel that. That's up to you. Okay. Mansvi, okay or not? Hello, Mansvi, is it okay? Okay. So one more next question. Look. Next question. Okay. Anyone can explain next question? Yeah, you're sure. Come on. What a stupid thing you're asking, Sridhar Shini. You have to come, you have to get, or you have to keep it 56 by 16. You're keeping answer. You have to simplify. You can cut by 4. How much? 14 by 4. Or final answer you have to find out. What is question you're asking? Okay. Next question. Anyone can answer, and then you can take the mic and explain it. Anyone can? Ready? Anyone? 3x square minus 14x minus 5 equal to 0. Anyone? Ready for it explained? Okay, Asma, okay, take the mic, Asma. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, explain, starting.
A equal to 3.
Okay, good.
B equal to minus 14.
Okay.
And C equal to minus 5.
Okay. Next step, B square minus 4AC equal to
equal to minus 14 square.
Minus 4 into 3 into minus 5, correct?
Minus.
Okay. 14 square is what?
196.
196. 196 plus 5 plus this minus 12 into 5, correct or no? 12 into 5, 60, right?
60.
Okay, answer what?
Yes.
256. Okay, now write the formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, come on. What do you write here?
14.
14. Why 14? Because minus already there. Understood now? Because already minus here. Minus or minus 14. Clear or not?
Plus or minus 16.
Yeah, good. 16 divided by 2a. 6. So 14 plus 16 by 6. 14 minus 16 by 6. 14 plus 16, 30 by 6 minus, 2 minus 2 by 6. That is 5 comma minus 1 by 3. Clear or not? Okay, now, Asma, good, very good. Asma, very good. Okay, so next question. Anyone? Next question, anyone? Come on, man. Next question, I'll give you a chance. Okay, Tanmay. Okay, Tanmay. Next question, Tanmay. Come on, Tanmay. Okay. Don't write anything. Hello. Don't write, just listen only. Okay. Tanmay. 6x square plus 11x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, start. Take Tanmay. Let me Tanmay. Wait. Tanmay. Okay, Tanmay, take the mic.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Start.
Yes, sir. So A is equal to 6
Okay.
and B is equal to 11
Okay. C.
and C is equal to 3.
Okay. After that.
So B square minus 4AC equal to
11 square minus
11 square
4 into
minus
6 into 3. Right?
4 into, yes, sir.
Just keep the mic little away.
So, okay.
121 minus.
So 121
How much? 4 into 6 into 3. 72.
Yes, sir.
Oh, what happened to your mic? It is 72, right? 4 into 6 into 3. How much? 72,
Yeah,
right?
70,
Okay.
72. Yeah.
Then 121 minus 72. How much?
So 9. Wait, 9. 3, 4. 49.
14. So we can find the root. Formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by
Root of
2a.
4b square minus 4a.
Then
2a.
next
So
here minus 11, right?
11. Minus
Minus 11,
11.
minus 11 because minus.
Plus or minus.
Ah.
Yeah,
So
minus 11.
root of 49
Minus
is
into
what?
plus minus.
Root of 49 is what?
7.
7. 7 divided by 2a.
Hello.
2 into 6, 12, right?
2, 12.
Yeah, nah?
Yes.
So minus 11
So
plus 7
we
by
get
12
minus
minus
12
11 minus 7 by 12.
12.
We can simplify it.
plus
Okay.
minus 7.
Yeah, that's okay. You can simplify.
Yes.
Okay. So next question, anyone? Next one, anyone? Come on, fast man. I'll suggest then. Okay. Okay, Aksha. Okay, come on. Aksha is ready now. Come on. Next question, Aksha. 5x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Aksha, let me check. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Aksha. Yeah.
A is equal to 5.
Okay.
B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to minus 2.
Okay. B square minus 4ac.
4A.
Hmm. Next.
Is
Minus 3
equal
square.
to
Oh, you're
5 square.
4 into 5 into minus 2, right?
5 square.
Huh? 4ac, 4 into a into c. Okay. 9 plus
So
20,
9
40. 49.
plus, yeah,
Okay. Formula. Minus b plus or
minus
minus root
B
of b
plus or
square minus
minus
4ac by 2a.
2.
Minus b, 3. Correct?
3 plus or minus
7
7
by 10.
by 10.
Okay. Then we can simplify. Okay. It's okay. Next question. Come on. Next one. Come on, man. Anyone? Next. Hello. Come on fast. Kirtana, are you ready? Hello, Kirtana or Lavanya. Kural. Hello. Next question. Who can try? Mansvi. You want to try? Hello, Mansvi. Okay, then Mansvi is trying next question. Okay. Wait, let me see the question. Okay. Okay, 9x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, Mansvi. Hey, Mansvi, where? Okay. Okay, Mansvi, come on, start.
Yes, sir. So A is equals to 9, B is equals to minus 3, B is equals to
Slowly. I have to write. I'm very slow. Okay. A equal to 9 and B equal to? B equal to what? Hello? B equal to? Where's she? What happened? Mansfi's mic mute. Okay, wait. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
B
slowly, because everyone listening you. Okay, A equal to 9, B equal to -3, C equal to what?
-2.
-2. Okay, then B square minus 4AC. Okay, then
So -3 the whole square
okay,
-4 into
Ah.
-3
-3 into -2. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. 9, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, so 9 plus, why plus this minus. How much?
70.
72, right?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 81. Then
9.
minus B plus or minus root of D. D means D, you can say right, D means B square minus 4AC by 2A. Minus B, because only minus 3. Plus or minus 9 by A equal to 18, because 2A. Now you can find this. 3 plus 9 by 18, 3 minus 9 by 18. Okay? Okay, good. Okay, Ramsha, can you try next question? Hello, Ramsha. Hello, Ramsha. Ramsha not here. Oh, okay. Yeah, that I'll do it. Ramsha, I'll do it. Okay. Okay, now you can take. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait, let me find the question. Okay. Okay, 3x squared. Oh, wait. Three x square minus next Kashinath ready. Okay, -5 equal to 0. Okay, start.
Yes, sir. A equals to 3,
Hmm.
B equals to -14, and C equals to -5.
Wait. When you're smart, no need to write this all. Directly you can start. When you're smart, not now. Okay. Okay, now B square minus 4AC equal to
-14 square minus 4 into 3 into -5.
-14 square
196 minus
plus minus
plus 60.
60. Okay, 256, right?
Yes, sir.
So minus B plus or minus root of D divided by 2A. Why D? I just short for my root. Okay. So minus B 14 plus or minus 16 divided by 6. Then you can find out. Clear now? You have to finalize it. Minus 14 plus 16 by 6 minus 4 like this. 14 Sridhar, don't keep like this. 14 minus 16 by 6. You have to finalize the answer. Okay. Okay, now Kashinath, Kashi. Hello, Kashi. Ready now? Okay, Kashinath question ready? Okay. Question, Kashi,
Yes,
question for Kashinath. Okay. Let me take a tough question. Okay. Next question, Verona. Okay. 9x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. 9x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to
Yes,
0.
sir.
Okay, tell me.
So A is equal to 9.
Okay, fine. B
is equal to -3.
Okay, C equal to
Is equal to -2.
minus 2. Next, B square minus 4AC.
-3 the whole square.
Hmm.
-4 into
9 into minus 2, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. 9 plus, because don't miss minus into minus plus. 4 into
Yes, sir.
9, 72 equal to 81, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Formula minus B plus or minus root of D divided by 2A equal to minus b plus 3.
Minus 3.
Plus 3, plus 3,
Yes,
plus
sir,
3.
yes, sir.
Okay. Or
3
9
plus
divided by 2a,
by
18.
2, 18.
So 3 plus 9 by 18, comma 3 minus 9 by 18. That's one you have to simplify it. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Okay, sir.
ready now? Okay, so okay, Saad, you will get chance. Okay, Saad. Before that, I already said Verona. Ready now? If Verona is not ready, okay, Verona. Let me write the question then. Okay. After that, next chance to Saad. Okay. 2x square. Kashida, now okay now. This one, not to worry about the splitting the middle term. Very simple. Anybody can start. I told you, any police can do it. Okay. Verona, let me check. Okay. Verona, ready now? Okay. Okay, tell me.
Yes, sir. A
Yeah.
equal to 2,
Okay.
B equal to minus 5, C equal to 3.
Okay. Then b square.
B square minus 4AC equal to 25 minus
Okay, wait. You are very fast. Okay. 25 minus
24.
24 equal to 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. So minus b
Minus-
plus or minus root of d divided by 2a equal to 5 plus or minus 1 by 4.
Yes, sir.
2a. So 5 plus
6
1
by 4, 6
by
by 4 or 4 by 4.
4 by 4. That means you have to find a final answer. Okay, Saad, ready now? Saad, come on, Saad. Okay. Okay. Saad, let me unlock Saad. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A equal to 1. Yeah, that is you right. Time being, you write all. Okay. 2x square. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. A equal to what? Hey, what happened, Saad? Mike again? Oh, I'll make it, right?
Yes, sir.
No, A equal to?
A equal to 2,
Uh,
B equal to minus 5, C is equal to 3.
okay. Then B square
B
minus
square minus
4AC
4AB,
equal to
AC,
minus
equal
5
to
square
minus 5 square
4 into
minus 4 into 2
2 into
into
3.
3.
25
25
minus
minus
24
24. 1.
equal to 1. Oh, good. So minus B. Okay, right or no? Okay. Hey, why your mic is gone all again? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then minus B 5. Why 5? Because minus already there. Plus or minus 1 by 2A. 2A. 2 into 4.
2 into 4.
So 6 by 4 and 4 by 4.
6 by 4
right?
and 4 by 4.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next one. Who's that? Next. Who's ready? Next one. Come on fast. Madhav. Madhav on. Okay. Madhav. Next one. Anyone? Come on, man. Then I'll call you. Okay. Nia, can you try one question? Okay, Nia, you try. Okay. Hello, Nia. Okay. Let me find the question first. Okay. We try a little difficult question. Okay, question is x square x square plus x minus 156 equal to 0. Okay, wait, let me wait. Okay.
So
Ah,
A equal to 1,
Ah.
B equal to 1,
okay.
C equal to minus
156.
minus 156.
Okay, b square minus 4ac. Okay.
1 square minus
Hmm.
1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 minus 156
1, then next plus
minus
plus. Why? Minus. You see now? Correct now? Hello. Hey, what happened to your mic? Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Careful this step. Minus 4 minus. Okay. 4 into 156 is what? How much? 4 into 156.
624
Oh, really? Okay, good. 625. Then minus b plus or minus root of d divided by 2a. So now minus b 1 minus 1 plus or minus 25 by 2. So that is minus 1 plus 25 by 2 minus 1 minus 25 by 2. That is 24 by 2 or minus 26 by 2. 12 comma minus 30. Clear now? Okay, now anyone? Come on, anyone? Hello, Sridarshini. Are you ready or not? You asked the doubt now. Sridarshini, ready or not? One question, try. Srikumaran, next. Okay, Sridarshini, after Sridarshini, then Srikumaran. Okay, Sridarshini, let me unlock. Okay, Sridarshini, question.
Yes, sir.
X square minus 15x plus 50. Okay, let me write. X square minus 15x plus 50 equal to 0. Okay, start.
A equals to 1, B equals to minus 15, and C equals to 50.
Okay, then b square minus 4ac. Okay.
1 square, no, 50 minus 15 square
Minus 15 square.
into 4 into 1 into 50.
Minus 15 square to 225, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 200
Minus 200.
equal to 25, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus b plus or minus root of d divided by 2a. Minus b become plus 15.
Plus 15.
Plus or
Yes,
minus
sir.
5
Plus
by
or minus 5 by 2.
2. Okay. 20 by 2, 10 by 2.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Okay, finished.
Yes.
Srikumaran, ready? Hello, Srikumaran, ready? Okay. Srikumaran, ready now? Okay, Srikumaran. Okay. Srikumaran. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that, the first 5 questions. Okay, listen here. Let it be a tough question. 30x squared minus 61x plus 30 equal to 0. 30x
Yes, sir. A is
squared.
equal to 30.
A equal to 30.
B is equal to minus 61. C is equal to 30. B square minus 4ac is equal to minus 61 to the whole square.
Minus 4 into 30 into 30.
30 into 30.
61 square, how much? 3641?
So 61 square is 3721.
Oh, sure, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
3721 minus 4 into how much? 3600, right? No.
Yes, sir. 3600.
Okay, so answer
Yes,
is
sir. 360.
121, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So minus b plus or minus root
Minus
of
b plus or
by
minus to the root of b.
minus
Yes, sir.
b 61
So my 61 plus or minus
11 by
1
60.
11 by 60.
Okay,
Yes.
ready now. It's okay, good. Hello, anyone? Next one. Sharon, ready or not? Can you try one question? Hello, Sharon, ready or not? Okay, so let me write the question. After that, anyone have doubt about this one? Because this is the base. You can use whenever splitting the problems. Okay. X square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. Okay. Wait, Sharon. Okay. Okay. Start. Hey, still? Why your mic unable to? Hello, your mic unable to unmute. Why not allowing? I tried. Let me check. Then okay, now do one thing. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
okay, tell me. A equal to what?
A is equal to 1,
Ah,
B is equal to 2,
ah,
C is
C
equal to minus 143.
Okay, then
B square minus 4AC is equal to 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 143. 4 minus plus 4 plus 143.
143 into 4, how much?
572.
572 equal to 576. Minus B. Minus B is minus 2 plus or minus 24 by 2A. 2. Correct or not? I didn't write the.
Yes.
Okay, it's correct or not? Okay, so okay. Tanmay asking about exam point. Hello. Tanmay always asking exam point. How will they ask? Exam point, they are not going to ask according in board exam, they're not going to ask this question directly, solve it. It's a part of the question. Okay, it's a part of the question. In a word problems, you have to solve it. Okay, that time you can use it if you are expert in splitting. If you are expert in splitting, use that one. You can save the time. If not, use this method. Any method, you can use it. Clear or not? Okay, but any question, they insist this method, you have to follow that. Okay, hello, all the 5 questions. Hello, all the 5 questions we did in first method, you have to copy. DPS students, after your science exams, you copy and finalize using this method. Okay, clear now? Next class, I directly starting the word questions. Okay. No, we'll see. Aksha, we'll see next class. No root and 1 0 also. Okay, I have class now. 2:45. Another batch now. Okay, it's enough. Next batch starting. Nia's sister is waiting. Okay. Okay, wait. Finish now. Okay.